Next question. Consider the following statement. Coenzyme or metal ion that is tightly bound to enzyme protein is called prosthetic group. Correct. A complete catalytic active enzyme with its bound prosthetic group is called apoenzyme. It's called holoenzyme. Apoenzyme is the polypeptide part of enzyme. So apoenzyme plus coenzyme or cofactor together becomes holoenzyme, and holoenzyme is complete catalytic active enzyme. So this statement is incorrect. A is true and B is false. Purines found both in DNA and RNA are adenine and guanine. Adenine and guanine. Then they can frame the question as pyrimidine found both in DNA and RNA. So the pyrimidine is cytosine. Pyrimidine found in DNA will be cytosine and thymine. Pyrimidine found in RNA will be cytosine and uracil. Which of the following pair of organelles does not contain DNA? Mitochondria contains DNA, chloroplast contains DNA, lysosome and vacuole. Yes, so we have the answer. These are the two organelles that does not contain DNA. Mitochondria again contains DNA. So option 3 is the answer. Which of the following statement regarding mitochondria is incorrect? Outer membrane is permeable to monomers of carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Correct. Enzymes of electron transport are embedded in outer membrane. This is incorrect. If they are in outer membrane, then how will you establish the concentration gradient? So this statement is incorrect. Inner membrane is convoluted with infoldings. Yes, it increases the surface area. Mitochondrial matrix contains single circular DNA molecule and ribosome. So mitochondrial DNA, it resembles prokaryotes. So it will be single and circular. This is correct. This is the only statement which is incorrect. Cells in G0 phase, the quiescent phase, is they exit the cell cycle. Which of the following glucose transporter is insulin dependent? The only glucose transporter which is insulin dependent is GLUT4. It is found in muscles and adipose tissue. GLUT4. The concept of omnis cellula e cellula regarding cell division was first proposed by Rudolf Virchow.